Hi, it's TJ and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be diving into the world of Nanocurrent and how it can give you the skincare glow up of your dreams. Now, you've probably already heard about microcurrent devices before. You know, devices like the NuFace Trinity, the Foreo Bear and the MyoLift. But today's skincare device, the ZIIP Halo, takes things to a whole new level with combined nanocurrent and microcurrent technology. Not only is it the only expert microcurrent device to achieve clinic-grade facials with immediate facial toning, sculpting and contouring, but it also comes with the amazing smartphone app that lets you choose between 26 personalized current waveforms, which makes this device truly unique and in a class of its own. Nanocurrent devices such as the ZIIP Halo offer a non-invasive alternative for improving the appearance of the skin's tone, texture and health. They work by promoting healthy cellular communication and functions, improving circulation, reducing inflammation and even helping to combat acne. The ZIIP Halo in particular makes use of unique combined nanocurrent and microcurrent technology, which is designed to deliver long-lasting results whilst rejuvenating the skin from within. But what's the difference between nanocurrent and microcurrent? Well, the main difference between nanocurrent and microcurrent lies in the intensity of the electrical currents used. Microcurrent treatments, such as the kind that you get from the NuFace Mini, typically use a slightly stronger current in the range of 400 to 800 microamperes, whereas nanocurrent treatments like that in the ZIIP Halo operate at a much lower level of around about 900 nanoamperes. Hence, microamperes is microcurrent, nanoamperes is nanocurrent. But what's the difference between the way that the two work? Well, basically, microcurrent treatments are known for their ability to stimulate facial muscles and provide a lifting and toning effect on the skin. The way that they work is by mimicking the body's natural electrical currents, helping to improve muscle tone, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and enhance the overall skin appearance. On the other hand, nanocurrent treatments use extremely low-level electrical currents to work in harmony with the body's natural electrical frequency. It's these tiny waveforms that are able to communicate with skin cells on a much deeper level, helping to promote healthy cellular function, stimulate collagen and elastin production, and boost the skin's natural rejuvenation processes. And on top of all of this, it amps up the amount of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, that is going to be freely available within the skin cells. Now, both microcurrent and nanocurrent treatments have been shown to be effective in reducing the visible signs of aging, with each of the current types targeting different aspects for a multifaceted approach. So, how does a ZIIP Halo work? The ZIIP Halo uses dual waveform technology to give both immediate and long-lasting effects through varying frequencies of nanocurrent and microcurrent waves, which gives a results-driven treatment in the comfort of your own home. While devices like NuFace use simple two-phase waves that go in one direction and then back the other, ZIIP uses more complex multi-directional waves, which can be adjusted for different results. And you can customize them using the app. Now, this makes it versatile and adaptable for your skincare needs, offering 26 different waveforms across its various treatment programs. Now, it's important to note that each of these waveforms are completely unique and there's no overlapping between them. And while some of the treatment programs may feel similar in sensation, they're actually using different waveforms, but ultimately they're all as comfortable to use as each other. In the starter box for the ZIIP Halo, you get the device itself, you get the ZIIP Electric Complex Conductive Gel, and you get the charging cable, which means that you've got absolutely everything you need to be able to kickstart your treatments from the moment the device arrives. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give myself a quick treatment using the preset program that kickstarts as standard when you fire up the device. So first things first, I'm just going to apply the conductive gel to my skin. So before using the device for the first time, I really recommend that you download the free ZIIP app. There's no manual syncing or anything with this. It automatically knows that your device is there by the Bluetooth. Then you're able to choose the program that you want. There are plenty of optimized apps in here ready and waiting to go. Turn it on your device. It's just connecting right now. We've been successfully synced. And then you're good to go with the app. And then all you do is you follow along with the video and you'll get an absolutely amazing full face treatment. Now, I've been using this for a couple of months now, so I don't need the app to guide me anymore. Now, I do use the app when I need to select one of the other programs, but for today, just for this, I'm just going to do my standard treatment that I would normally do. So I'm going to fire up the device, it's flashing, and then starting at the chin and the jawline, just sweeping up slowly until it vibrates, and then up slightly, and then up about another centimetre, and again, and again up onto the orbital rim but no higher than that, and then last one sliding up and into the corner of the eye, and then up from the brow up to the top of the hairline. So I've been using the ZIIP Halo most mornings with the pre-programmed facial for a little over 60 days now, and I've seen a huge difference in my skin tone and texture. My skin definitely looks firmer, the soft lines near my eyes have virtually disappeared, and the glow that it gives is just beyond. Now I do use some of the longer treatments in the app when I'm after a more intense lift and glow, but in general the 4-minute preset routine works amazingly well for me. It really doesn't take that much time out of my day, and it's a great way to kickstart my morning looking fresh and wide awake. Once more. And then just finish off under the jawline. And it really is as quick and easy as that. So there you have it. This is how I use the ZIIP Halo to keep my skin looking its best in combination with my other home treatments and products. Guys, with consistent and regular use, you'll be enjoying clinic grade outcomes within less than 10 minutes a day. And the best part is, it comes with actual data-backed results that take skincare to a whole other level. If you want to get your hands on your very own ZIIP Halo from Current Body, links are provided in the description box down below. Okay, so that's about it for this video today. But if you've got any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. I'm also super interested about hearing your thoughts or your own results with using nanocurrent, microcurrent combined in a device like the ZIIP Halo. And of course, before leaving, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe so that you're staying up to date with all of the latest anti-aging skincare treatments and guides. Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day ahead of you, and I really can't wait to see you in my next video. So I guess until then, TJ over and out.